Hey everybody, if you check out my last video, you saw that I made a key to this lock from just running the code on the bottom of it. Works pretty good here. And since we're mostly a lock picking channel, we'll see if we can maybe pick it to you while we're at it. I'm using a 50 thousandths pry bar and a 25 thousandths gem. And I'm just going to go through here. Also sprayed some tri-flow in it to just lubricate it. All right, and we're open. So it's a old American lock here. It's not a single pin picked, and this guy's not guttable or anything, but you know, not too bad. Probably just needed some lubrication. These things get old and gunked up or whatever, but you know, I gotta go get it back in the mail now to the fellow Redditor, and I can't say his name, but I'll link it on the video. And hopefully he's happy with his lock, you know, that it works, and he has a key for it. So anyway, till next time, we'll talk to everybody later.